Up here in the mountain passes, fall is quickly changing to winter. As the driving conditions change, the Washington State Patrol wants to remind you to stay safe as you travel for the holidays. If your holiday travels take you across the mountains this year, we want to remind you that all vehicles are required to carry chains, even all-wheel drive vehicles. The roads might seem okay when you leave home, but by the time you make it to the mountains, the weather could have drastically changed. So here are a few tips to install chains on your car. So to start installing chains, we recommend that you pull over in a designated chain-up zone. Most mountain passes across the state have these designated chain-up zones. They're well lit, and there's a nice safe shoulder to install your chains. This vehicle is an all-wheel drive vehicle, so you're going to want to make sure to put your chains on your steer tires. If you have a front-wheel drive vehicle, same thing, your front tires. Rear-wheel drive vehicle, you're going to put them on your rear tires. So starting here, I always like to keep an extra garbage bag in here. That way I can make sure to put that down, kneel on that, stay dry, because some days, there's some long days up here working in the snow. Alrighty, so start by getting your chains out, then you're gonna lay them out, make sure they're not tangled or kinked or anything. Start by grabbing your chains, laying them over, throw them over the top of your tire, and slide it as far as you can all the way down until the back of the chain hits the ground. This is the trickiest part of the chain install. You're going to secure the inside cable as tight as you can, and then make sure to secure the cable. Every chain's a little different on how they hook up the cable on the inside, so make sure to refer to the specific manufacturing guidelines. So once you've got the inside secure, coming into the outside, and get it as tight as you can, and then use the tensioner to secure it. So you're gonna roll a few feet forward after you get your chains installed so they can tighten up again, prevent damage to your vehicle. We're gonna try to get one more notch on the cable if possible, and then just make sure your tensioner's secured on the cable. You're gonna grab your bungee cord. I like to start by spreading them to the opposite corners of the tire to start, and then you can just grab the rest and spread them evenly across the tire. You should be all ready to start driving in the snow. Your WSP, along with our partnered agencies, are working round the clock this holiday season to ensure your safe travels this holiday. Just remember, practice putting your chains on before you leave home. And if you do get stuck in the snow and meet myself or one of my fellow troopers up here this winter, just remember that we're here to help you safely make it to your destination. Drive safe.